In this video, I'll show you how to edit photos with Magimir. You can upload a single image or an entire folder. Here, I'll show you how to upload a folder. Just drag and drop the folder right here, and all your photos will be imported. On the left side, you can preview all the images you uploaded. For preview quality, you can choose between smooth, standard, and HD. Pick based on your computer's performance, but usually HD works best. Next to it is the Liquify tool. You can slim, enlarge, or reshape any area you want. The presets section includes built-in editing styles. Just choose one and apply it with a single click. Now let's move to the right panel. The first section is color adjustment. Here, you can manually adjust brightness, saturation, curves, and HSL for more detailed control. Next is the quality filter. With one click, it enhances your image color automatically. The second section is skin retouching. You'll find options like blemish removal, wrinkle reduction, dark circle removal, high and low frequency skin smoothing, skin brightening, and facial adjustments. Basically, everything you need for skin and face retouching is here. Below that is makeup enhancement. If your model's makeup looks faded, you can quickly add or enhance makeup here. You can also adjust specific facial features individually. Next is the crop tool. You can choose preset ratios or customize your own size. The last one is AI removal. This feature uses magic points, which require an extra cost. Also note, if you don't have an annual plan, you won't be able to export images using magic points. You'll need to subscribe first to use this feature for exporting. Once you finish editing one image, you can right-click to copy the settings. Press Ctrl+A to select all images. Then Ctrl+V to apply the same edits to all of them. No need to edit one by one. Make sure all images are selected, highlighted in blue. Then click Export at the top to export everything at once. You can track the progress in the export panel. It's fast and epic. Magimir supports batch export, detailed adjustments, and one-click retouching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or contact us to get a free unlimited editing trial code.